How many of you can relate to the excitement that comes with this type of news? It's a vibe repeater. Congrats, you've been accepted into the YouTube Partner Program. Welcome to the YouTube Partner Program. In this video, I'll be showing you how I got approved fast. I just applied, and before I knew it, boom, I was approved into the YouTube Partner Program. So I want to, take a walk with me so that you know the things I did, the steps I took so as to get my YPP approval. Alright, so follow me as I take you through a walk through this entire video. I'm going to tell you the things I did, before I applied, and things I did after I applied. And these things that really helped me to get approved fast, I would like to share with you. Firstly, I would like you to note that getting approved into the YouTube Partner Program requires 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. That's for long form videos. Then equivalence of 10 million views if you are monetizing your channel with your shorts. Alright, aside that, you must also follow YouTube content monetization policy. So I'm taking you through a walk on how I apply for the YouTube Partner Program. I got my 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, and the next thing was applying for the YouTube Partner Program. Before I applied for the YouTube Partner Program, what I did was that first of all checked my channel, checked all my videos one after the other, both my shorts and my long form video, to see if I have any form of copyright, or maybe I'm violating any of YouTube community standards or policies. So I checked through my videos. I deleted videos that had maybe copyright or maybe issues, maybe like contents that were kind of blurry. I removed those contents, and I checked like twice, and after then I applied. So as I applied, the next thing was that I got this message, and I then spoke in tongues. I was approved for the YouTube Partner Program, and the message came in my mail. This is the mail. It said, "Vabi Peter, congrats, you've been accepted into the YouTube Partner Program. Welcome to the YouTube Partner Program." You know how exciting it is to get this type of message. It said, "Congratulations, your dedication has paid off, and you are now among a prestigious community of creators building their voices and businesses on YouTube. You also take note that YouTube is a business, and anything that you call a business, you must give it your best for it to actually yield dividends. So you running a YouTube channel is just like running a physical business too. And when you don't put in energy or effort, you don't get anything out of it. So the same thing is demanded of your YouTube channel. You have to constantly engage with your followers, constantly post, and engage your algorithm, and before you know it, your algorithm begin to push your content. You know how awesome it is to have this type of news. And it's my prayer for you that have not gotten, you also get monetized someday. You may not really know what it means being on YouTube since 2015, and in 2025 you get your first YouTube paycheck. So amazing.